it's day 3 and we are at Miracle Garden. I don't know what is there inside, but it's looking good. So gonna explore that. Let's see. So if you don't know, Dubai is a desert and it does not rain here quite often. It rains 2 or 3 times in a year here. So today is that day. It rained finally. This surely is the treasure of Dubai. I mean, just imagine in the middle of desert, they are creating this much of beauty. There's no litter, then there's nothing other than flowers, which is quite impressive. Look at this gigantic Emirates plane they have made with flowers. So we are at Bollywood Park. It's looking good, but I don't know what is there inside. So let's check out. Look at this super cute chairs. Amazing. Chalo. Woohoo! The vibes of this place are insane. What's up?
Thank you for that introduction. Hey, I'm here. Stand on the X mark, okay? Or you cross mark, okay, everyone, quiet on set. 1, 2, 3,
It was an amazing experience. The Krish ride and Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara was, and Ravan also. No, I think not Ravan, but these two were really amazing. It was like a simulation kind of thing. We enjoyed it. It was amazing. It's about to sunset and it's so cold and windy. And we are gonna go off somewhere. Let's see. This looks very beautiful at night. Wow. As you can see, these photos, these are taken just before this video. It was amazing. So if you are visiting Dubai, you have to visit it. Look at our ride. Oh my god. Oh. So this is the Dubai Garden Glow. This only opens at night, and look how amazing this is. We are not gonna go inside of this because we don't have much time, because we have booked this limousine for next 2 hours and we are gonna enjoy the ride. Let's see. So this is like the end point of Dubai, and this is the Atlantis Hotel. I think you cannot see, but there are a lot of waves, like a big waves coming here. So this is like a marine drive from Dubai. Holy shit, it's cold. Oh shit. Bye bye. It was an amazing experience.